and it definitely irritates the scalp, giving rise to excessive dryness of the scalp. So all these products, if you ask me, are definitely are not the remedy. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar, founder Papillon Hair World. I am a doctor by profession and treating hair problems for more than 30 years. I have treated more than 10,000 patients so far. The patients which very often ask me is about the dandruff, and I have treated at least 5,000 cases of dandruff very successfully. Whenever the person gets the dandruff, what he commonly do is he goes on to the Google and starts searching for the home remedies related with the dandruff. And I can tell you, if you also try to watch it, there are at least 150 videos which mention about the home remedies for the dandruff. But I can guarantee you that none of these videos gives you the real permanent remedy for the dandruff. To cut short, what are the commonest ingredients or the commonest products which are used for dandruff are: number one, application of a methi in a form of a paste, or sometimes this paste is also mixed up with the oil and it is applied to the scalp. The next is use of lemon. Lemon is used in two forms. One is that is directly squeezed into the shampoo, and that shampoo is used for the treatment of a dandruff, or many times people squeeze it into the bowl and apply directly to the scalp. So this is another commonest product which is a home remedy, we can say, which is done by many people. The third remedy which I have statistically observed is the hair mask, which is prepared in a combination of a curd and a lemon. So people take a curd in a bowl, they squeeze lemon into that, and they keep it on the hair for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, something like that. And the last which I have commonly seen is use of camphor, just camphor mixed in a water or camphor mixed in oil itself. Mind well what it is. If you statistically observed, or rather if you scientifically observed, all these home remedies are nothing but the scalp cleansers. What they do is they just clean up the scalp temporarily, and so you get the result of no dandruff for next only 3 to 4 days. If scientifically we see what the lemon, curd or methi is all about, those all are alpha hydroxy acid groups. Even though these are the mild alpha hydroxy acids, we keep on a hair minimum for 2 hours, 4 hours and 6 hours. Mind well, the normal scalp pH is alkaline, and all these products are acidic in nature. So if you keep all these products onto the scalp for more than 2, 4, 6 hours, it disturbs the alkaline pH of the scalp, and it definitely irritates the scalp, giving rise to excessive dryness of the scalp. So all these products, if you ask me, are definitely are not the remedy, permanent remedy we can say, to treat the dandruff. Out of this, if you ask me, the camphor, application of camphor mixed with the oil is comparatively a sensible treatment. I have seen many people use Karanjal Tel also as a remedy, and I can say that the Karanjal Tel also is one of the effective treatment, but this Karanjal Tel should be applied to the scalp and not to the hair. So if you ask me what is the effective treatment, once again I will say the camphor mixed with Karanjal Tel will be comparatively one of the safe game to play, and I have seen many patients by treating this as a home remedy get rid of a dandruff at least for a period of 3 to 4 months. So mind well, the treatment with curd, treatment with lemon, treatment with methi and many other, for example onion also, people use onion also for the treatment of dandruff. These are not the remedies which are going to give you the permanent results. So best way is to go to the dermatologist or to treat the dryness of the dandruff. So I think I have given enough hints for what to use and what not to use as home remedies. If you have got any questions related with dandruff, you can ask below. And if you like this video and if you want to see many such videos, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you. I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar from Papillon Hair World.